Spend 24 hours with us here in Panglao, Bohol.
Ano lang kayo dyan? Nood lang kayo dyan.
Bakit?
Enjoy lang kayo.
Look at the view.
Maganda siguro dito. Titira tayo mga 1 month. Tapos ma-enjoy lang natin yung buhay dito.
I know. Kasi nandito lang kami for less than 24 hours. Pupunta na kami sa Cebu after... No, tomorrow pupunta na kami sa Cebu. Kakarating na kami ng umaga.
Dami yan dito. Living life, man. Sana everyday like this. Cheers, man.
If you love someone and you're not afraid to lose it, you probably never love someone like I do. You probably out to pray, try to make a love.
Ayaw mo mag-swimming din?
Oh, mag-swimming.
Ow!
Ganda ng tubig, sobrang warm, perfect
So,
temperature.
I know!
Anong I know?
It's so warm and perfect temperature.
Lucky chance, but you would rather have subtract. You and I could be like sun in chair, honey and bears. Oh, you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen, sing la 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 la. There's so much I need to say to you.
So, tapos kami mag-swimming. Sobrang ganda ng tubig, sobrang warm, sobrang perfect ng lahat. Kahit wala ng araw, parang nasa perfect temperature na tubig. Kaya nag-enjoy kami. So ngayon, gutom na kami.
Agree.
Yeah, now we're just waiting for the food.
Nagpunta kami 3 p.m. like just before 3. Tapos akala ko mga 2 hours lang kami. Then that's it.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Ha?
Why?
Okay. Bawal tumingin.
So yeah, naka-order lang kami ng food.
Just waiting.
Just waiting.
Ang dami. Overall rating naman dito sa beach, 10 out of 10. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang daming picture nga na maganda. Tapos, the vibe is vibing, man.
Yeah.
Let's see kung yung food magiging 10 out of 10 nga ba tayo sa food. Tignan natin. Yung ano dito, para ma-entrance ka dito, kung babayad ka ng 500 per person, consumable, magagamit mo sa foods and drinks. Which is okay naman. Medyo expensive nga lang yung mga food, pero okay lang naman.
It is.
Hindi mo na,
Worth it.
yeah, worth it naman yung beach eh. So parang nagme-makeup na siya doon.
I mean, like yung price, like
Tapos nakapulot pa kami ng nakapulot kami ng isang coupon na libre, yung may 500 kami na pulot na additional, so buy kami ng mas maraming food, so that's gonna be nice. Gutom na kami.
thank you po. Thank you po. It's seafood pizza.
Try natin. Cheers, babe. Slice.
Sarap. I would give it an 8 out of 10.
Yung sisig na in-order namin, parang meron silang Korean twist. Kasi may gochujang, may sesame oil, may lettuce. Yeah. Tingnan muna natin siya yung Filipino style, syempre, with rice.
Oo nga.
Bulgogi na sisig.
Yung
It's good.
sauce niya parang iba. It's good.
Ayos naman. Sarap
Parang
yung food.
it's something na hindi ko expect. There's garlic, babe, ah.
Kaya nga eh.
Ay, tingin ko.
Samgyup. Sisig samgyup. Okay ba? Try mo to. May garlic to eh. Daling kakaiba. It's good. Solid. Try mo, babe. Try mo. Doesn't make sense sa simula, pero it makes sense pag nakain mo na. Cheers.
Cheers.
So, yun na tatapos ang aming day trip dito sa ang tawag dito, Oceanica Beach Resort. Sobrang ganda. May nagbabackflip na sa swimming pool eh. So yeah. Pauwi na kami. Excited sa motor namin. Pauwi.
Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothing. No need to fight like this. Deal with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong because I realized I myself. It's all I got. It's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. Talk about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Myself, it's all I got. In the end, it's what I found out. Ain't no need to cry. Talk about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I cry. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, see the sun come out again.
Morning guys.
Good morning.
Ngayon papunta kami sa Alona Beach.
Yes,
Hanap,
mag-explore
yeah.
kami sa Alona Beach and we'll see what's there.
Hanap kami ng breakfast. Tingnan namin what's up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Meron pa kami few hours bago namin i-return yung motorbike.
Yeah.
So, gagawin naman.
You really nice shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up on the stairs. I buy you secret that you wear.
if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV, that one don't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shower, baby, I need a free. Lick it like ice cream, as if you mean to be disgusting. It's not enough, chop my banana. One side I laugh and no stopping. Push up, fuck that. Fuck what I do. Breakfast on fire. You then you can't go. I saw something in my mood. I can see you from the get-go. Can't get from my town. That's the life of the city boy. That man. Oh yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, so ayun yung asawa ko gustong-gusto mag-swimming. Go na!
Mama Sheba, come back on. Make me the start of the parado. Start of the halago. Cause you know some my people they calago. Oh, no, my power. As I head to the north, but we find your
Ayun si Renea. Nakahagel ng mga street vendor. Ganda ng tubig. Sobrang init ng tubig, sobrang warm, sobrang perfect. Pero parang mas maganda dong yung beach dun sa isa kanina. Yung Oceanica Beach. Parang mas maganda yung sun niya. Bohol Beach. Ito Alona Beach. Yeah. Mas maganda yung isa. Pero maganda rin dito.
Yeah.
Sabi ko ng mahal ka may kapat masayaw sa ulan ng mundo'y tagaan.
Sama ka sa vlog ko
Ako'y kiniginaw, halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Mananatiling buhaw.
Nandito na kami sa Alona Beach. It's so underrated. May mga tao pero hindi masyadong marami. Tapos puro puti yung mga tao. Mas marami yung puti kesa sa mga Filipinos.
Marami din Korean.
Marami din Koreans, yes.
I buy you shit because you wear it. Just because you know I care. But you know you really here. That's why you keep on coming there. You never can compete, I swear. You try to navigate too.
Lupit dito, may 7-Eleven sa tapat lang ng beach. Sobrang to, hindi namin na-expect na may ganito. Ayun Ito yung beach. Tapos sa likod namin, 7-Eleven. Meron doon 7-Eleven. Tapos ito naman, nakita namin sa harap namin ngayon. May McDonald's naman, napalupit.
Okay lang po kayo.
Vlogger daw, vlogger. Okay po. Okay po.
Thank you po.
Okay po.
banana. One side I like that no stopping. Push up, fuck that. Fuck what I do. Breakfast on fire. You then you move that over. I saw something in my mood. I can see you from the get-go. Can't get from uptown. That's the life of a city boy. Damn, oh yeah, yeah. Jello, oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
So ngayon pauwi na kami. Pupunta kami sa Airbnb, drop off lang namin yung scooter. Tapos kakatch kami ng ferry. Pabalik ng Cebu City ulit. And doon kami mag-i-stay for a couple of days. So yeah, ayoko pang umalis dito pero show must go on, man. lagi sinasabi ng tropa ko eh. Sinasabi niya lagi giatay. Ano ba yung giatay?
Yeah, te, parang mura yun.
Ah, mura ba yun? Lagi,
Mura.
ay giatay, gumagano siya lagi. Loko-loko eh. Mura pala yan.
Parang, hindi naman sa ano.
Parang ano, tarantado, gano'n.
Parang, hindi siya ganun ka ano na mura.
Ah, okay.
Tawag
Oo.
nito.
Parang expression.
Expression of
Oo.
disappointment ba?
Ah,
Parang yung ano, pastilan. Ganun.
pastilan. Pastilan.
Hindi naman sa mura.
Oo. Ano yung pastilan? Parang ganun din.
Parang ano rin.
Para hayop.
Disappointment din. Ganun.
Ay, nako.
Oo.
Ay,
Pastilan,
Oo.
kabataan.
Bago ko naman yung ano.
pastilan ka, bata ka, sasabihin ko nga sa kanya. Nakita ko yun.